Guys, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Stella, and today I will be showing us how I prepare my pancakes. So guys, stay tuned and let's see how my pancakes turn out to be like. When preparing pancakes, there are some kind of ingredients that you need for any recipe. These ingredients include some flour, could be wheat flour or a mixture of wheat flour and corn flour, some eggs, water or milk, some sugar and some salt. And also you can add in some baking powder like I do in my recipe, and you'll need some vegetable oil, butter or margarine to oil your pancakes. So I'll show you my ingredients that I will be using for my recipe today. Here are my 2 eggs that I will be using, some sugar and some salt, milk that stands in the place of water. I'll be using milk for it. Some baking powder. As I told you, I like my pancakes a bit fluffy. So this is the baking powder. A bit of flour that I will be using, although not sifted, I'll have to sift it for easy mixing. And finally, I will be using this margarine in the place of butter or vegetable oil to fry the pancakes. So guys, let's get into the mixing and see how my paste looks like. To avoid lumps in your paste, the first thing you need to do is sift your flour, or say sieve your flour, to remove all those lumps, and so that your paste can be very smooth and easy to prepare. So as you can see, this is me sifting my flour, and as you look here, the flour looks so good compared to this one here. So it's going to be really easy to mix the paste. Even when preparing other recipes like a cake, this is a very good procedure to use first to have the very best flour. So just look at that flour. Look at that flour. It looks so good. And let's do a bit more. You can also choose to, maybe if you don't have a sieve, or you can easily acquire a sieve, but if you don't have a sieve, you can maybe blend your mixture for it to look better. But let's see how mine turns out. Now that my flour is ready, I will add in a pinch of salt to it, then add in some sugar, a few spoons, I like sugar, and a bit of baking powder, also more like a pinch of baking powder, and then mix them all together. Mix. So now I'm mixing the sugar, the salt, and the baking powder into my flour until I see it's well mixed. And after that, now I can add in my milk. As I said, for me I'll be using milk, but if you really don't have milk, there's no harm in using water, or if you're lactose intolerant, you can use water instead of milk. So now we're going to come in with the milk into our mixture and then mix. If you have a whisk, it's even better than using a spoon, but as you see, I will use my spoon, and at some point I'll even use a wooden spoon to mix my paste. As you can see now, I turned to using my wooden spoon because the spoon was a bit hard to make the mixture into a smooth paste. So after mixing my paste, that's when I'll add the eggs. My reason for not adding eggs at the start is because at times eggs can make your flour have some lumps, so I find it easier to first mix the paste into a smooth paste, then now come in with the eggs. So let's mix into a smooth paste first, then come in with our eggs. And look, it's turning out to be amazing. Are you excited to see the final results? Because I am. I hope you're also excited to see what I am able to make today. Now that my paste is ready without any lumps, I will come in with my eggs. So let's get in with the eggs. So first I like mixing my eggs in a different container, then adding them into my paste. Now my eggs are ready, so I'm going to pour into my paste little by little and stir them in. Stir them in. Let's see. Look, you can't now tell where the eggs are and where the flour is. It's well mixed and very smooth. Very smooth. Very smooth. You can come closer and show them how smooth the mixture is. Look, just look at that. Very, very smooth and with a bit of bubbles. Bubbles are in because of the, eggs and baking powder tend to make the flour like rise a bit. Yeah. That's it. And now that my flour is ready, I will prepare my pan so that I can start preparing my pancakes. So stick along still so that you can see the end results of my pancakes. And as we go to the next step, kindly, if you've not subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe. And to my returning viewers, thank you so much for sticking around. So let's get into the cooking. So guys, after around 40 minutes to 1 hour of preparation, this is what I managed to get as the results for my pancakes. Yeah, I'm sure they taste as good as they look. I don't know what you think about my pancakes, but I think they taste so good. So guys, after finishing my preparation, now it's time for me to take a bite of my pancakes. So let's dig in. That's super sweet, like amazing. I like the taste and how they look. And a bit of tips on how you can serve your pancakes. You can serve them with some fruit jam, some honey, or even maybe a cup of coffee. It goes so well with all that. I hope that you enjoyed my cooking video, and I hope to see you in my next video. And don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And now all I can say is bye. See you in my next video.